So, first of all, I want to clear us out on what infinite design is when it came out, and why infinite design. Actually, let me just put that question there. Why infinite design? Because some people will be like, there are apps like Adobe, Illustrator, even on laptop and on mobile. The Autodesk Sketchbook. There's so many others. Name it Photoshop, and just like a lot out there. And you're like, why? Why would you want to go to infinite design? Before I can really explain, let me clarify you guys on some things here. Let me show you guys my beginning progress and the reason why. Now, I did this art here with Autodesk Sketchbook, and if you notice, I was kind of like, okay, I won't really say I'm that bad in outline, but this is terrible though. I won't really say I'm that bad in outline, comparing me to a beginner, But still, I didn't know how to, color skin. I was just looking for some. Okay, unlike other apps out there. First of all, I had one issue. I never had a laptop, so it's not like I'm saying this because I want to like overhype the app or something. Also, I never had a laptop, and I didn't have the money, to get myself one, or better still, it was hard for me to get people or friends or anyone to really get me a laptop. So the best chance I had out there, that time was Autodesk Sketchbook and Infinite Painter, Infinite Design. I tried started with Infinite Painter. That's when I drew this, and this is. Let me not say anything. Let me not say a word. Okay, but then I also started with Pixar too. I tried struggling, trying to understand what artists were trying doing out there, and it was crap. Very, very crap. Very, very big crap. So, but later on, I stumbled upon a video on how to do stuff on infinite design, and then I drew my first ever drawing, as in like my first ever drawing, and this is what I got. And I was like, damn, I have potential. I don't know, but that's just how I felt. I was like, shit, I have potential. Although so many things I will feel like size. See? Come on, what do you expect from me from a beginner? I tried, come on. As in, this was I command myself. But nevertheless, this is not why we're here. So, I tried. After this, I was like, shit, this app is awesome. So I left Infinite Painter where I drew the rubbish, and my next drawing was this. I'm not really sure this is my next drawing, but subsequent drawing was this. And worst of all, I didn't even know how to export my images because for some reasons. I really didn't know. Not like there were some reasons. And this was the next one. You can see like, my color is terrible. Although my outline always seems to be like on your good enough, but I missed some things like the outline is nose, mouth, ear, some other things. So it was really crapped up. Then I still didn't understand how to use some tools on Autodesk Sketchbook, so I continued with Infinite Design. And 4 years later, I draw deep dope vector arts like this on Infinite Design. And truly, like sincerely, this is serious. This is serious shit, man. This is serious shit. So easy for me to use, so easy for me to understand, and just that. Then let's check the app out on Play Store. First of all, you have to know that Infinite Design actually started 2011, and I started using Infinite Design 5 years later, 2016, because 2011 I did not have a phone, Infinite Design started 2011, and although it started that long, hardly, let me say, okay, from my perspective, or from where I am, Nigeria, just like 3% knew about this app out of all the artists out there. But actually, in Indonesia and other parts of the world, I think there was more exposure there. But unlike me here in Nigeria, I was like, I don't want to brag or I don't want to say anything, but I was more like first set. Let me just put it that way: the first set of Infinite Design users here in Nigeria. I actually feel that's also part of the reason why I've come this far. So this is my review after 2 years of using the app. I was never exaggerating here though. You can see my app over there where I showed you. So try to fun thing about this app. This app is just like 16 MB, approximately 16 MB. Okay, not 16 MB, approximately 16 MB, and just take a look at what this guy or this person was able to achieve with a vector app. This probably took him, given the fact that this is a very old version this person used, and me, I know how cracked and how how heartbreaking Infinite Design can be sometimes. This guy actually used, I don't want to exaggerate here, but I can swear he used up to a week to draw this, especially on the detailing of this hair. The skin might actually be fast on the skin because many of them are actually good at coloring skin very fast. Check out for this logo on Instagram. That's the guy. I'll try to find his name and show you guys his works. And just that, this is another person. Here's the logo. So like I told you before, Indonesians have actually been working this app even before we knew that this app was available. They have come a long way. They've done a lot of stuff, and we're just behind. I don't know, just Africans really behind because first of all, arts or digital arts is the last thing you want to mention that you're doing. Just keep that. App or digital art is the last thing you want to mention that you're doing, more so Infinite Design, which people don't even know about at all. So let's dive into the app, see things for ourselves. And yet, this is me. This is my boat. This is where I've been. This is not actually all my works in the last 4 years, but the ones I've been able to save or the ones I've been able to still keep with me. I've lost my phones a lot of times, so forget, I've lost a lot of art in these 4 years. This is different things. This is actually the which I was trying to do here, just in case. Just like that, I've come a long way. I'm trying to be a better person. Infinite Design, like I told you, it's very easy app to use. Very easy app to use. The workspace is relatively simple, easy, and just easy for you to understand in general. You can actually use it for flyers, just like this. This is a flyer I was trying to do. You can use it for logos. This is a logo I'm doing for someone here. You can use it for logos. You can actually use it for anything. You can use it for your YouTube YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, this is a thumbnail design I was trying to do. So you can use it for a YouTube thumbnail. You can use it for free text design. The options are just endless. I just believe same thing you can do with any other illustrative app there. You can also do this app. These are my illustrations. For my concept arts I usually do for people, and so on and so forth. So this is Infinite Design. And now I want to explain to you guys the reason why, or I feel okay. I feel this is the reason why it's called infinite design. This is a recent work I'm on to right now. This is a recent work, a job I got. So I'm just trying to draw her. First of all, you have to understand that infinite design is tracing app. I won't really say it's tracing app. It depends on the artist. I mostly use it for tracing, as you can see here. But some other artists are well enough with anatomy and some other things. Can actually start from scratch and draw the person, putting the photo reference at the side. But come on, you want to make money, and there's not much time to learn anatomy and where the house should be and where the legs should not be. So I just draw from photo, and whenever I want to get photo here, I import the picture. As whenever you want to get a photo to your workspace, just come over here, press image, gallery, get your gallery, and then let me use image, and then you press import, press the image, tap the image, sorry, then you tap trace, because we usually trace with the app like I said before. But anyway, you can still tap image, depends on you, but you just have to know the difference between image and trace. Then as trace, so whenever importing as trace, once you tap this in display outline settings here, if you notice the image is still at the background, but the truth is some things I'm going to draw here are going to be appearing like this because it is in display outlines. See, it's actually black, but because of this because of the fact that I imported the picture as trace, photo is showing. If I remove the photo, and import as import as image. First of all, if you notice there when I imported as trace, it never showed me this option, which is to transform the image and then to press to confirm it. This is on the layer on this one. It's actually in this layer, so I have to bring to the front for you guys to see. And whenever I type display outline, it's going to disappear alongside. It's just the boundaries of the image is going to be visible as you see here. So that's just it. So I'm sure this should cover all our questions on what infinite design is and what it entails. Generally is best vector app according to me and according to several artists out there. No, not just according to me, it was rated one time ago as best vector app on Android. That was I was actually trying to look for in the Play Store, but I don't know. I'm going to check it out. But that's just it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.